In this video, we are going to see how we can change the aspect ratio of any kind of image that is generated by text or just writing a simple prompt. Just go in here to text an image, and we have this images generated, but let's say that we want to try something from the gallery. Let's use that and let's see some image. Let's say this one. And by the way, guys, if you were inspired by any of the image, you can work on this. You can use this image and just go to the gallery, click on generate. And let's say instead of redhead, I want black hair. You can customize however you want and click on generate. And based on the prompt, it has completely generated some different image. So that's great. Let's say that I want to use this one and it's in the vertical form, and I want to change this aspect ratio to widescreen. Let's change it to widescreen to see how the aspect ratio is changed. Click on generate, and now these images are all changed to widescreen angles. So that's how you can easily change the aspect ratio in Adobe Firefly. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.